Brought to you by 1AAuto.com, your source for quality replacement parts and the best service on the internet.
Hi, I'm Mike Green. I'm one of the owners of 1A Auto. I want to help you save time and money repairing and maintaining your vehicle. I'm going to use my 20 plus years experience restoring and repairing cars and trucks like this to show you the correct way to install parts from 1AAuto.com. The right parts installed correctly. That's going to save you time and money. Thank you, and enjoy the video.
In this video, we show you how to replace the combination switch, which is the turn signals, high beams, and wipers on this 2001 Chevy Malibu, same as a 97 to 03. Only tool you'll need is a 7mm socket with a ratchet and an extension. And if you like, you can disconnect the battery, which would take an 8mm wrench. But it's not necessary. The only reason you might want to do it is so your interior lights don't run your battery down. Okay, let your steering wheel come all the way up. Underneath there are 3 7mm bolts. Also a T20 out. Their Torx driver will work. And those 3 right there. We'll remove those. Fast forward as I use a socket, ratchet, and extension to remove those 7mm screws. Okay, now pull your steering wheel down and you can separate the top and pull the top up and out. Okay, now there's another 7mm screw right on top here. Now your old switch will come right up. There are 3 connectors. One right here, lift up on this tab, and that comes off. And then this one right here is a little more difficult. You pull up on this tab, and then pull the connector out. And then over on this side, there's another connector right here. Again, pull the tab up and push the connector off. Okay, and your switch assembly comes right out. Here's our old switch, new switch from 1A Auto. You can see once you take the covers off, all the graphics are the same. Everything's the same. It's going to fix your problem, whether it's your lights aren't working or your return on your blinkers or something. But it's all going to go in there. Putting it in is pretty simple. Put it down, we'll hook this connection on first. Plugs right in. Okay, this lower connection plugs right in. Okay, and then this upper connection right in. Okay, now set it carefully down, just about into place. Okay, as you're putting it down on, okay, this little button here, just use a regular flat blade screwdriver and push it in as you put it down so it goes behind this wheel. Push our button in. Down and on. Speed it up here as we put that 7mm screw back in. Use your socket, ratchet, extension. Tighten it up nice and firm. Don't over tighten it though. Okay. Now there are 2 ears, I guess, right here that go into little hooks in the back. These ears here, you have to guide back into these hooks. Okay. And it's difficult to film because the steering wheel gets in the way. So you want to put this down in there, and you can just kind of look right through here. And usually you can get one side back in, and look the other side back in. Okay, then just kind of push it back a little bit, and then bring the two halves together. Make sure that everything lines up, and then push it together.
And now we can fast forward as we put those 3 7mm screws in from the bottom and use our socket ratchet extension, tighten them up, and again, tighten them up firm, do not over tighten them. We hope this helps you out. Brought to you by www.oneauto.com, your source for quality replacement parts and the best service on the internet. Please feel free to call us toll-free 888-844-3393. We're the company that's here for you on the internet and in person.